Hello, let's discover how to deploy packages on Gnoland. To start by the basic, you have the pure packages, starting with a P, with no persistent storage for library, for example, and real packages for application, starting with a R, with persistent storage. To deploy anything, you will need to call gno make tx for make transaction add package, with the package path referred in your gno module, package dir with the directory where you stored your GNO code, deposit with the number of tokens you send to be used by your package, gas fee for defining the value of one gas wanted. So in that case, you will send alongside your transaction 200 GNOs to pay the fees of the network, broadcast to send your transaction, otherwise it will just create the transaction that you will be able to send later, chain ID for the name of the chain, and remote for the address of one node. In that case, it is the node of Gnoland. And last one, your keys. A quick look around, you can define a namespace, define as either your username, you will be able to register, your address, so as anonymous users, or GNO owned package like sys for system. Only namespace owner can deploy and require correct signing keys. For the one not used to the terminal, you can use the playground of Gnoland, so it's play.gno.land. And with Adena wallet, you can directly get some test token, and by creating a GNO mod toml with your address, the name of the package, which should be similar to the name of the package here, you can click on deploys, new deployments, the good name of the package, deploy, and you will be able to sign the transactions. By clicking on approve, it is now online, and we can take a look. And the package has not been found because we are not on the good testnets. We have to type the link of the testnets, and by typing the good link, we have directly our page with written hello world. Let's deploy a simple counter application on the staging network. For this, we have to create a key by doing gno key add the name of the key. So we do my key. I will enter no passphrase, and I will receive my address. By going on the faucets, I can go on staging, which is, I remind, a nightly staging testnet used for experimenting with the latest version of GNO. I set my wallet address. I take 10 GNOs in my case. I say I'm not a robot, and I request drip. And that's good. A good practice is to test really great is package before releasing it, because it will be immutable. Before being able to release our package, we have to go to GNO mod and replace the namespace by our address or our username linked to our address. By doing so, we make sure it is released in the good place. I prepare a command in the README we can copy, and by selecting it and replacing the package path with the correct one, I can paste it and enter my password. We can see it is missing gas. We just have to change the gas number by a higher number, and this time it's working perfectly. We can copy the link, and directly by going on the link, we can see our realm functioning great.